Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for finding me. My name's Chrissy and today we've got a haul. We haven't done one for a few weeks, and so today we've got some Revolution and we've also got some of the new Xxrevolution. So if you'd like to see the items, please keep watching. Right, so guys, I've had a couple of orders. I'm still waiting for some, so I am going to have to do my sort of part 2 next week. I'm a bit disappointed because I think I've got another 3 orders on the way. I'm going to keep the best till last. So I firstly got an order 2 weeks ago now. I'm really late with this. They brought out 2 mini chocolate palettes. They brought out the white gold one and the black pearl one. So I thought I'd have them just to keep my collection going. I'll do the white gold one first. They're beautiful packaging as normal, and these aren't at the moment out in the full size, so whether they're going to be like sort of exclusively small or not, we don't know. This one is white gold, still smells like chocolate, so we're okay. That is the colour story. I'm going to give you a swatch. I never swatch anything of these, do I? So I've got to start swatching them for you. The formulation is nice. It's just a sort of very basic palette. I don't know where they're going with this. This one is the black pearl. It's very nice looking, that is. A little better. So let's get some swatches on this. So those are the colours. Like I say, that to me they were just a strange combination. Am I going crazy? Or perhaps if they brought the larger palette out, I'd sort of understand a little bit more where they was going from, or where they were sort of going. Anyway, I also had this. This was just a random one. Right, so this is one of your glitter liners from the Precious Stones collection, I think. Yeah, it's the Precious Stones liquid glitter eyeliner in Sapphire Haze. There's only one of these left and I couldn't get it. That's nice. It's actually nicer than the one I've just bought, which was from Xxrevolution, but this was like about £3 and that was £10. That's the colour of that. I think with a couple of layers that will be really nice. Right, these last 3, as I said before, they was on 3 for 2. So I had a Makeup Obsession So Lit highlighter palette, real Day to Day. I've shown you the Night to Night one before. So I had the Day to Day, that's the collaboration. And then another collaboration was this one with Revolution Pro, and it's the Ultimate Artist palette, and it's from Lan London. So that is a multi palette. I'm trying to not blind you with my light. So that is your colours. It doesn't look like it's going to set the world on fire, but you know Makeup Obsession is very devious. They're really good colours. Right, so these are the colours. They go from very subtle, which you've got your champagne, you've got you've got 2 champagnes. This one you can't even see because it's such a light pink. I think you can see it here. And then you've got a darker pink, a bronze, a gold. Being the complexion I can't wear anything like this. This is totally wasted on me, and obviously they will go to be a shimmer eyeshadow, but these, I think these will look really nice. So it's not wasted, and this one here, they're not wasted at all. Guys, next we've got this Day to Day palette. This was a collaboration, so beautiful packaging. The Night to Night was the purple. The night tonight was the purple. And the day today was the orange. So this is, I'll do some swatches of this as well. This is 18 shades. And that's the colours of those. This is a little deceptive as well. Those lovely, lovely shades, they're really nice. And then the last one out of the 3 for 2 was this Ultimate Artist palette. So it's Mock Croc out cover, and that is what it looks like inside. The bronze. So you've got light, dark, contour, bronze. Then your blushes, you've got lilac, pink, coral and red. Your iconics are white, neutral, brown, aubergine, black, navy, gold and silver. And then your brights are blue, purple, emerald, cobalt, UV yellow, UV orange, UV pink and a UV red. Your lip colours are nude, pink, brown, coral, blood red, orange red, deep red and plum red. So there is something there for everybody. Right, on to what you've come for, because I know you've just been listening to me rambling on, or you've just forwarded it until this part. If you've watched my video from Sunday, you've probably seen some of these anyway, because I did use the large palette and a few of the face products. So firstly, I'm going to start with the large palette, because obviously I used this on Sunday. This is the Explosion palette. This is £28 and it's got 66 shades in. There's mattes and shimmers and foils. Well, I'd say they're more foils than shimmers. It's huge. It's about an inch taller than the James Charles palette, for reference. That's how big it is, as you can see by my head. These are the colours. No mirror. I think the palette would be too heavy with the mirror anyway. You can see where I've swatched them. I've pretty much swatched everything, but I will show you some again. Very nice. Then I'll do the 6 in the middle. Look at those. Sorry about those last few. I've sort of run out of room. There's that many. So how pretty are those? They are very, very samey. The Cloud Complexion Soft Touch Primer. It's very bougie. That is 24ml. It's got an iridescent looking top. I don't know whether you'll be able to catch it with my lights. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see how thick it is. It is really thick and it smells like coconut. Only faintly, but enough for you to smell it. It's really nice, and it is a really, really nice primer. It's velvety soft, and my foundation, I bought the foundation as well. My foundation felt so nice with the combination of both of them. It was really nice. I'm really impressed. I'm that impressed I would be buying some more foundation, which I very, very rarely do. This is the Xxrevolution Glow Skin Foundation. This is, again, this is 27ml and this is £15 also. It might sound a little bit much, but I'm really impressed. Glass bottle, very bougie, got like a sort of pinky lid. The other one is a full coverage and not a glow foundation. It's got a black top as well. So you've got a pump on the top, and all I can say is it's a really, really nice foundation. It's velvety soft again. I don't usually go for a glow foundation because I've got a sort of oilier skin, but I did and I really enjoyed it. 55 shades. That is amazing. I mean, some of your high-end brands don't do anything like that. So for a drugstore brand to be able to make 55 shades of concealer and foundation, what are the rest doing? Come on, let's get it together. Next is the eyeliner. I had it in Regal, which is really, I wanted something different colour. So this is like a russety brown burgundy colour. It is really nice. It's a twist up, but look, it's still the same sort of square metal packaging. It's an automatic one, so it's a twist up. So this is your colour. It's really nice, especially with the palette as well. They have got about, I think about 7 shades. I have ordered some more because I did like the feel of it. It's like very soft on the eye. This is the Magnetics Duochrome eyeliner. £10. It is beautiful packaging, without a doubt. That's the colour, which it is a pretty colour. I'm going to let it, that's actually better than it has been. So I think you just really have to shake it up well. This one hasn't bled so bad today. It's 1.8ml for £10. That's the colour. I don't know whether you can see it feathering. It's not done a bad job this time. But even though £10 is, I think it's quite expensive for a liquid liner. Come what may. But I'm stingy git. The Exodus palette. Now these wasn't advertised in any of the PR packages whatsoever. So when these came out, there was a bit of a shocker. It was even more of a shocker when I had it and opened it up, and I'll show you why. You've probably seen them anyway. It's a faux velvet casing. Now I know we don't have the palettes for the casing, but it is a little bit of luxury. £18 for 18 shades. There's no doubting it is a really pretty palette. Wow, that's a matte. That is a really good matte. Wow, I didn't expect that. I think for 18 quid, I don't think that's too bad at all. They feel beautiful. Even the mattes, as I've said, they're like velvety. On to my last 2 palettes. These are the Crystal Shadow collection. So I had the quartz and also the amethyst. Now these are the boxes. These are nice in themselves, but wait till you see the palettes. They're beautiful, so nice. So they look like rose, that looks like rose quartz, and this one looks like amethyst. Well, it's a bit light to be amethyst, but how gorgeous are those. So inside, as I said, I haven't swatched these myself. This is the inside of the quartz, and this one is the amethyst. Let's have a dig in, because I haven't even tried these myself yet. Oh my goodness. I'll have to do this close to the camera just so you can see how pretty they are. These are £16, so they are on the pricey side, but oh my goodness. You know I'm going to have to get the other 2 palettes now, don't you? You can see I'm just like a child. Oh my goodness, right over my elbow. How beautiful are those? Look at this shade. This is the second shade. I love those. And to boot, they are beautiful for your sides as well. So they not only look stunning, they are. As I said, this one is the Amethyst. Oh. This one's a little bit more subtle. Oh, look at, oh my goodness, look at that duochrome. There she goes. The last 3 I'm going to do here. Oh, there we go. Like I say, this palette is a little bit more subtle than this one, but they're gorgeous. They really are. And these, wow, these duochromes. That is it's got silver, it's got white, it's got pink, and this one has got a yellow and orange. They're just stunning. They really are. They have done a good job with these. I am in love. Guys, if you have stayed with me this long, thank you so much. If you have enjoyed it, let me know by leaving us a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you like my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys on Thursday. I think I may do another makeup look. Means I've got all of this makeup now and I'm itching to try it out, so I should probably do a makeup look for you on Thursday. So take care of yourself, guys. Please stay safe, and I will see you again Thursday. Love you loads. Bye.